Hey guys, it's me, BlueDog10, and welcome to another game. I realized today that I still got a little bit of Five Nights at Freddy's 3 to do. I'm still gonna do it. I'm on night 5. I'll get to that soon. I'm recording the video soon. Hopefully. I've failed a couple of times. I've tried it and I've failed. But I've got it down. So today, we're playing Please Don't Touch Anything. Hey man, I need to take a bathroom break. Stay here for a moment. Wait, what is this panel for? Just stay here, I'll be right back. And please don't touch anything. Okay. Now this game is all about this control panel here. There's 25 endings, all represented by these little dots here. And what I'm doing now is doing one of the endings where you don't touch anything. Hopefully. Should activate in like 8 seconds. There we go. Great, thanks man, you really helped me. What took you so long? Something could happen. Really? Like what, the apocalypse? You've got to have an execution on this machine. Let's go. Oh, I had to restart. Okay, so I know this is an ending too. I love mushrooms. I've actually never liked mushrooms in my life. One, 2, 2, 1. 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Nope. I know there's this on the right. Then there's this lever here. Ooh, I remember this one. That looks a whole bunch of stuff. Whoa! I don't even know how you're supposed to get that one without just randomly pressing buttons. I know there's one if you just press this a couple of times. I don't even know what that says, but it added stuff on the right. Oh, I didn't know there was outlines for these pictures. Okay. Okay, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Flip the lever this way. Pisano Leonardo. I have no idea what that means. 8, 3, 6, 7. Okay. I remember that from the Impossible game, blue, red, blue, yellow. I just wanted to try it. Ooh, there's this star right here. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be hard. That's gonna be hard. There's some star thing up on the instruction panel. I just thought something would happen. B, D1, D7, 4. Oh, shoot. I need that closed. Can I reset that? I know if you reset this a couple of times. Oh. There it was. I keep on pressing it. Boom. Yes. I did it. Yellow, red, blue, blue. Well, that was Y, R, B, B. Let me get my screwdriver here. What the heck? I know there's an ending if you do this. There's an hourglass. Fatal system error. Okay. Okay. 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so there's... There we go. This was on the correct. Let me reset this. I want to do another one. So if I flip this upside down, it should be... Yep. That's where the 666 comes in. Oh no. You have to stop this at the right time. Oh. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Only 8 endings. I'm gonna do one more. I'm not doing that ending. Whoa. Morse code. Okay, so if I follow these arrows that it's showing me. Oh, it's just showing me on a scavenger hunt. There's a goat. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try to stop it at the right time. There's a D4 here. I don't know what ending 666 is gonna get me. Got it. Are you joking me? I have to remember those symbols. Okay. I know this is an ending. If you look at the work, it has like not shaded in dots and then shaded in dots. Okay, I'm gonna go back on the footage and look at the video because I have to remember those symbols. So, I'm gonna end off this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.